Jesus said, you must deny yourself and follow me. That's in Matthew 16. This is the only belief system out there that doesn't teach self first. All other religions and belief systems teach something such as self-enlightenment, self-fulfillment. What can you get out of it? Self-focus, self-help, to deny ourselves for a greater purpose. 2,000 years ago, it was an earth-shattering statement never heard before. And it still reigns true. It's still an earth-shattering, rare statement for someone to take the focus off self-centeredness, self-thinking all the time, deny themselves for a greater purpose. Yesterday, I received very bad news reports that said I don't have much longer to live. If I became self-focused in my thinking, it would eat me alive if all of my thoughts were about what was gonna happen to me. Of course it hurts because I think what will happen to Ara and the boys. But I believe in something greater, and that greater is the one true living God, Jesus Christ, who sacrificed for all of us and demonstrated the ultimate victory of denying yourself for a greater purpose. All right, hope you guys have a best day ever. Love you.